All right, Shade Tree Mechanic here back. I don't know why I can't keep saying that at the beginning of my videos. Shade Tree, it's like a tongue twister. Anyways, guys, what's up? I am back with my Arctic Cat 500 rebuild. I showed you the pictures on the last video of the remnants, which you can kind of see right there, of what's inside this motor. So we are going to do a complete teardown. So I've got the pull cover off. That's this side right here, where the pull cord is. This is the stator, what it looks like. Actually looks like it's in good shape. My one concern is the water pump. It does not twist very easily. And I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but there are specks of metal inside the bearing there. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And so I'm thinking I'm just going to replace the water pump. I'm doing all this, I might as well. I also got the belt drive cover off. It looks like it's pretty dirty. It's over here. As you can see, there's a lot of built up nastiness there. I got to clean that out, obviously. It was like Christmas in Shade Tree Garage. I got all sorts of parts. So this is my horribly drawn diagram of the belt cover to keep all the bolts straight, and this is my horrible diagram, and I use an entire box, which is kind of silly, for the belt drive side, just to keep track of where the bolts go, because they seem to be all different lengths, and rather than put them in plastic bags, I think this is a better way. I'm probably going to name this one because that shape isn't very identifiable. So here we go. Thanks to YouTube, found a couple of people who worked on these engines before, and they recommended this Aviation gasket maker rather than the traditional kind of gasket maker. I also have Suzuki Bond for the crank case to put that back together. It says not to use this style to put the crankcase back together. I got a full set of replacement seals, so I'm pretty happy with it. This is a Winderosa. This is a good brand. It's known to have high quality things. It was made in Taiwan. It's not made in Japan, but it's still pretty good. And then underneath that, I've got a gasket set, full gasket set. Boom. This is also a recommendation. There's the, so you know, full gasket set. I don't know if any of that helped you or not. And then underneath the plastic wrap, dun. Used crankshaft came in already. Everything looks really good. This is the part that's cracked on mine. All the bearings seem like they're in good shape. No hesitation. They all seem good. Obviously these need to be cleaned up before it's put back together, but I'm pretty happy with it, and it was very affordable. So yeah, so I'm gonna try something different. I got a little stand for the camera, so I'm gonna try to do continue to break down this engine, and do a step by step. I want to give someone who's doing this job as much information as possible. Just as a quick thing, when I pulled the stator cover off, excuse my garage, I know it's a disaster, but that's what it's going to be. These two drives fell out when I took that cover off, and a couple things. Got a spacer on this side, and there's a small gear on the inside there. Can't really see, but I'll get you a light. So I just wanted to give you a heads up about that. All right, stay tuned. We'll keep going here. All right, guys, so I've been working on the bolts. I got, here's my diagram of all the different bolts I took out. They're all different sizes. Keep track of where everyone goes. At least for now, I can't. There we go. Can't get this bolt off with my air compressor, which is in my basement, and it's pouring rain outside, so I'm not going to get it. So what I'm going to do is, for now at least, I got all the bolts on this side off that I can see. Got this guy, and there's no one on the opposite side. I'm just going to spin it around, and it's going to be the same thing. There's a couple of big bolts that I need my air compressor to take off, but I'm just going to continue to take it apart, keep it together, and I'm thinking about taking the jug off just to get it out of the way. I'm pretty sure I can't split the case with this on there, so I think that's what I'm going to do. There's some big bolts right here, so that's what I'm going to work on now. All right. Oh man, doesn't want to go. Oh, fuck. Well, that was short-lived. Impact. I'll just blast those off. That little drill is not gonna do it. Give it a shot, but I'm fairly certain if I can't crank it with this, then it's not gonna do it. So, what else can we do here? This big bolt needs to come off. This one needs to come off. I don't know if I have a nut that size. A socket that size. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So it looks like my 1 inch and 1/4, 1 inch and 1/4 socket fits on here on both bolts. So that's a good sign. Need my impact again. Because there's no way I'm gonna be able to blast that off there. Well, we'll go old school and see if we can get something done here. Otherwise, it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I doubt it. Yeah. All right, I gave it a shot. Sorry. Maybe I'll take that. I'll take it off just to be done with it. Check it out. Genuine Arctic Cat oil filter. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, I spun it around and look at these things. Those 2 bolts that I was just messing with. Comes right out here. You probably can't see that. So this one and this one. It's 9/16. The size of these bad boys. Whew. All right. I think I need a bigger bag. Well, as far as I can tell, with the exception of these 2 bolts, if I take these 2, I could probably take this whole jug right off. That's what I'm going to try. Poor table soaking over. Let's see what we got here. All right, so as usual, it's never as easy as you hope. Took these 4 long bolts out, and then the 2 small ones that are right here, they're actually 10 millimeters. Oh. And this doesn't move, so I'm gonna start to disassemble the top of the head here. Wasn't necessarily hard. missing? Okay. Well. Check this out. There's a bolt. Comes off now. I don't see what else I'm holding. Well, I'll keep working on it. There she goes. Didn't look bad. So it looks like inside, got those two other bolts there. Get that timing chain off. And we'll keep working on it. What is that? Don't do that. It was recording. Look at that. Well, I'll be. Now she's loose. How are we looking? Not bad. Oh. See that? There we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. This doesn't look so hot. Really not that bad. Oh fuck, I don't know where that goes. That's almost holding it. Really don't want to do piston drum. Wire's all in the middle. That is the problem. what those do. I think that's all we can do for tonight, guys. Let's get close up here. This is kind of concerning. I don't know if I'm going to get away with keeping this piston or not. Top looks okay. Inside here looks good too. Let me get the light so you can see better. Looks good to me. So I think we're going to be okay. So game plan. Get my air compressor and take these big bad boys off. There and there. And I'll take the drive links off. Actually, that's something we could work on, but we need to get these little C-clips off. Take the drive links off, and we'll go from there. It's not a big deal. Usually, if you're doing a job on the head of a ATV, the last thing you want to do is drop the timing chain in there, but I'm going to take this whole engine apart, so it's not a big deal. All right, as always, I hope you guys like this series and you're enjoying the videos. I'm going to keep plugging along at this thing and keep you guys with me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and like the video and subscribe. Thanks so much. Shade Tree Mechanic out.